This video is all about space and our solar system. Make sure that you pay close attention because at the end of this video, your instructor will hand you a short quiz to complete. Now get ready to start our journey into space. The first thing that we will look at is the Milky Way galaxy. This is our home galaxy in the universe, where our solar system is located. The Milky Way is in the shape of a barred spiral, and it contains over 400 billion stars. It is amazing to think that our galaxy is 220 light years away in diameter. It is amazing to think that we live here. If we move closer to the Milky Way galaxy, eventually we will reach our solar system. We will now take the time to break down our solar system and look at the main components. At the center of our solar system, we have a yellow dwarf star called the Sun. It is 4.6 billion years old. The Sun is located at the center of our solar system, and all the planets orbit around it. It is 92,960,000 miles away from Earth. Even though the Sun is so far away, it is still responsible for our climate and weather. The Sun is extremely hot, which is why we can feel its warmth even on Earth. It is actually 9,941 degrees Fahrenheit, or 5,778 Kelvin. Think about how hot it is outside when it is 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Now think about how hot it would be on the Sun. Pretty amazing, right? If we look right next to the Sun, we will find the planet Mercury. It is the closest planet to the Sun. Because it is the closest, Mercury has the shortest orbital period. It revolves around the Sun every 87.97 Earth days. We know a lot about Mercury, possibly due to the fact that it was first discovered in the 14th century. This was even before the invention of the telescope. Finally, unlike Earth, Mercury has no moons. This is very interesting because the only other planet that doesn't have any moons is coming up next. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. Just like Mercury, it is the only other planet that doesn't have any moons. Venus is sometimes referred to as Earth's sister planet because it's similar in size and mass. Venus is known as the brightest planet. It is so bright because that it is the closest planet to Earth, and its atmosphere is full of thick clouds that reflect 70% of the sunlight back into space. It has a closer orbit to Earth than Mercury did, which consists of 225 Earth days. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. It is the largest of all the terrestrial planets, which means it's mostly made up of rocks and metals. It is the only planet known to support life, and that is where we are right now. Our planet revolves around the Sun in 365 days, or 1 Earth year. Earth is 4.5 billion years old and was once thought to be the center of the universe. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. It is also known as the red planet due to the red, rust-colored dust that covers the surface. Therefore, it is not surprising that Mars is the home to one of the largest dust storms in the solar system. It orbits the Sun in 6.87 Earth days, and it has 2 known moons. Between Mars and Jupiter, there's the asteroid belt. It contains billions and billions of asteroids that vary in all different sizes and shape. These asteroids orbit around the Sun just like the planets. The asteroids that make up the most mass are Ceres, Vesta, Pallas, and Hygiea. Jupiter is the 5th planet from the Sun. It is the widest planet in our solar system. It is also the fastest spinning planet. It spins once every 9.8 hours. Due to its speed, Jupiter is one of the shortest days, which is 9 hours and 55 minutes. It orbits the Sun every 11.86 years. Jupiter is a gas giant, and its famous red dot is actually a huge storm that has been going on for 350 years. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun. It is known for its icy rings. It has the most moons out of any planet. They add up to around 150 with several smaller moonlets. It is actually the flattest planet in the solar system. Saturn orbits the Sun every 29.4 years. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun. It was the first planet to be seen by a telescope. Uranus is the most famous for spinning on its side. The planet orbits around the Sun every 84 years, and it has the coldest of temperatures. Neptune is the 8th planet from the Sun. It is a gas giant and it is the smallest of all the ice giants. It has a very active climate and takes 164.79 years to orbit the Sun. Only one spacecraft has ever flown by this planet. Pluto is sometimes known as the 9th planet. There was a debate in 2006 saying that it was really a dwarf planet, but today the debate is still ongoing. It orbits around the Sun every 246.04 Earth years. Pluto has 5 known moons. 1/3 of the whole planet is made up of water in the form of ice. I hope you had a good time exploring space with me. See you next time.